As a recap, we viewed a process tracker module for the budgeting process earlier. Now, let's take a quick look at how this process tracker is constructed. In the Dashboard Designer, you can construct your own process map. Here you can call upon pre-built workflow reports, scorecards, and KPIs to be oriented into the process flow that makes sense for the organization. Once this is complete, you can configure the security and workflow approval chain in the administrator. Here, users can be added to a group or role security. The security can be assigned either at the data model level or down to the granularity of multiple dimensionalities. Here we give a combination of finance and the United States. There are no limits to the number of dimensions to add here. Now let's set the workflow chain for the expense planning module. This can either be a basic or advanced workflow setup. When in advance, we can set a multi-level approval chain. You can select either sequential or parallel approval chain sequences. As a budgeting process starts, you can also monitor the workflow process in the admin area and trigger workflow restart, email notifications, and automatic escalations. If there needs to be further customization to the email notification format, you can custom tailor the message and metadata to include. Also, there is multi-language support in the email notification. Now that the workflow is configured, I want to adjust my next year's budget. Here I'm going to spread $60,000 for vehicle leases. Immediately, I am notified that the budget total has exceeded the allocated amount. I will decrease the amount appropriate to satisfy the KPI before submitting. Once I'm good here, I will submit it to the next approver in the chain for review. As the approver, I can verify first if there are any alerts on the budget and check the KPIs are all good before approving this. Before we approve, we can also expedite the approval with this final checkbox.